Hi, in this tutorial we are going to show you how to use the powerful conditions facility of WooCommerce Product Table PRO. With this facility you can hide or show any element in a product row based on the product properties and special condition criteria set by you. This feature allows you to do things like hide the prices and buy button if the user is not logged into the site with a specific user role, or show a veg or non-veg icon depending on the food type attribute of a product, or show a helpful prompt to select options specifically for variable products, or show special messages relevant to each product based on its unique properties. All this and much more is possible with your product table's conditions facility. Not only can you apply conditions on individual elements in your cell template, but you can also apply them on entire rows in your column and make them appear or disappear based on product properties like attributes, custom fields or metadata, price, stock, product type, store timings, and user role. Let's find out how we configured the conditions of our earlier examples. In the settings of the first example, where we want to hide prices and buy button from logged out site visitors, we created an additional text element in the price column with the text login for prices and an additional icon in the button column. Then we give the price element the condition to not appear if the user is a guest. And on the other hand, we gave the text element the opposite condition to appear only if the user is a guest. We did the same for the button and icon element as well. Accordingly, the price and purchase button appear for logged in users while guests see a message to log in for prices. In a second example, we are showing a veg or non-veg icon according to the food type attribute of each product. In the settings of this table, we added two media image elements next to the title element with the veg and non-veg icons. And in the settings of the veg media element, we have added the condition to make it only appear if the attribute food type is set to vegetarian. For the non-veg icon, we have a similar condition, but the food type attribute needs to have the term non-vegetarian. Also in the third column under the button element, we have added a row and placed a text element in it with the text plus select options. And in the row settings, we gave it the condition to only appear for variable products. With these settings, the correct veg or non-veg icon appears based on the product attribute, and variable product buttons get the select options text under them for additional clarity. In a final example, we are showing special messages for our products according to the venue attribute. Keep in mind that we can also use other product properties for our condition criteria such as category, custom field, price, or stock. In the settings of the second column of our product table, we have added two text elements with the two messages in separate cell rows. In the settings of the first row, we have placed a condition to make it appear if the attribute value is auditorium 1, while the second row will only appear if the attribute value is fitness center. This makes a product table display the correct messages according to the venue attribute. And with that, we have concluded our tutorial on the conditions facility. As you can imagine, with this facility, you can make your product table much more dynamic and expressive, tailoring the presentation of each product based on its unique properties. We hope you found this guide very helpful and are excited to use this facility. Please feel free to write in if you have any questions or feedback. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting features and guides for WooCommerce Product Table PRO.